Alright, welcome back my friends, ETPC here. I'm doing another unboxing and this is on the Alvoxcon USB wireless microphone. So this is UHF unidirectional mic and it's for smartphone, PC, laptop, what have you. I kind of needed one for when I am not next to my PC. So most of the videos I do here are on the PC here, and so I have a microphone that goes into the back of my helmet here, right here, the cord. So a little lavalier mic, but it is not cordless, and so I'm gonna have limited range here. All right, so let's check this out here. Had a little had to distract you with my conversation while I was getting this sticker off there. Okay, so let's open this up here. What do we got inside? Okay. On the top, we have a nice little presentation. Alvoxcon, dear valued customer, we really appreciate your purchase of the Alvoxcon product. As a responsible seller, we put customer satisfaction to top priority. You're happy with this purchase. Okay. Nice little welcome letter there. Right on top we have some nice heavy-duty foam, and look at the packaging. That's pretty impressive. They want to make sure this doesn't get damaged, which is good. Okay, this first middle compartment we have looks to be a USB. I'm going to open the bag here for you guys if I can. I think I can. Don't want to damage the bag. It's got such nice packaging. I didn't want to ruin it. Okay, put that back in there. So this is the receiver, and that looks like it'll go in your USB port there. So that's cool. It comes with, looks like we have a couple of batteries as well. Golden Power alkaline AA batteries. Sorry about that, didn't show you what was going on there. Okay, and in this pocket here we have, appears to be some wires, if I can get this bag open as well. I guess some scissors would be handy for unboxings, you know, but that's okay. In here we have, if I can get them out of the bag, pretty heavy duty audio cables here. And what else? Okay, looks like a USB-C adapter. Let's get a close-up of that if we can. Okay. And another adapter. Is that for, no, that's not for an iPhone. It's another adapter for USB, so I'm not sure exactly what type that is. Alright, in here is the microphone itself. Let's open this up here. Okay. Dun dun dun. Alright, so there it is, my friends. It appears to be, it's fairly lightweight. This is plastic here, and this is, I believe it's metal on top. So we have the battery area here, and I haven't installed the batteries yet, obviously, because this is just the unboxing, so that just slides right. Oops. Where am I? Oh yeah, that just slides right back on there. Okay, so that is that. I will be doing a setup, demonstration, and review shortly. So this is the unboxing. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and we'll see you guys soon. And everybody have a great day. All right, now this is the regular microphone. I've taken out the USB adapter or wireless part for it, and we'll see this is the normal sound on the phone. Testing, 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 1, 2, testing out the microphone. This is with the all camera or open camera app for the Google Pixel I'm working with here. See if it's working. Testing, testing, 1, 2, testing, 1, 2. Hey there friends, so we have the Alvoxcon, a wireless microphone here, and I have inserted the batteries in right there. Okay, replace that. Okay, turn on the power button for 0.5 seconds. It should light up. It says on, and it gives you a little readout of how the battery is, what channel is in the group, and everything like that. Lit up for about 30 seconds, and then it goes a little darker to conserve the battery. Anyways, okay, so I have the receiver down here. I'm going to just push it into my USB, and I'm going to try to show you how to set this thing up here. So, all right. So when I push it in, okay, a blue light comes on, and then 3 green lights. All right, and now that should be recognizable under my software here. I'm going to go to the start button, control panel. I'm sorry. I want to go to control panel and hardware and sound. Okay, and then we're going to go with sound. Move that over here, and it should be under here under recording. We have a microphone real tech, and then a microphone USB audio device. That should be the device we're going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm using my lavalier microphone right now. This is me talking normally with it. I'm going to switch over, cut the video here, and come back using the new microphone. So I am back. I don't know if this is working or not. I'm talking using the regular microphone now, or the regular one, the one I'm doing a review on, not the lavalier mic inside my helmet. So it might sound a little different because I am speaking from inside of the helmet. So I am just going to move around here a little bit. So with this, I might, depending on how it sounds and everything, I might use this in front of me. The reason I went to a lavalier mic in the first place, I had a regular microphone, but because I'm talking in a helmet, it sounded like muffled, you know, like I'm talking through a tunnel or something. So this is this microphone now. The setup was easy. Like it says, it's plug and play. So turn this on, plug it into your USB, it lights up, and I'm using it right now, literally, 30 seconds later. So it was ready to go as soon as I plugged it in. I'm going to review what I sound like here, and it was simple. I thought the setup would be something a little bit more complicated, but this was definitely user-friendly. So all right. So I went back a little bit and listened to it, and it was a little quiet. So I turned the volume up. I think I had about 60%. It's now about 80% under the sound settings. So just seeing what this sounds like now. Let's have it out here. And closer, 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 closer. Testing 1, 2. All right. All right, so now I'm going to go a little ways away and see how the distance is, how it works with a little bit further away. So I'm going to go out of the computer room, walking out into the kitchen, and moseying out into the living room. So I'm a couple walls between us now, and probably about 20 away. And now I'm walking maybe even outside. Darest I go outside? Well, we're going to find out. So, door here to the backyard. Now, the backyard. And the sound. So far I'm pretty impressed with the sound quality. I'm going to take another listen here, and we'll do a final review. I'm back. Hey there, friends. Final thoughts here on the Alvoxcon. Final thoughts here on the Alvoxcon microphone. First off, the setup. I'm going to talk about the setup. Easy. For the computer, it was plug and play, and it was ready to go, no problem. For the phone, I did have to remove my case because I have a bulky case from my Google Pixel. It was blocking it. I also had to download an app. But once I downloaded the app and I just switched over to using the microphone, it was no problem. So actually, that was fairly simple as well. I didn't really make a video doing that. I made a video earlier of the sound. So it was impressive. The sound quality is really good with this microphone. I'm impressed with it. The distance, workable distance, probably about 20 feet. And that, I don't know if it's just a clear shot since I had walls between me when I was using it. That probably has a lot to do with it as well. So I like, as far as being able to be pretty free with your microphone, not having to be super close to it, that's a nice benefit as well. It's lightweight. It seems to be decent construction. I like the little readout on it. It shows you your battery display, the channels that you're on. You can have multiple things. You can hook it up to an amp. I didn't do all that stuff. That's a little bit beyond my ability, but really impressed with this microphone, the sound quality, the ease of use, setup. It was all really a snap. I thought I was a little intimidated with the setup. What am I going to have to do here? But it wasn't that difficult at all. So, yeah, great microphone. And thanks for watching this review, everyone. Have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.